Today, we are going to learn how to record your screen in Windows 10. Let's get started. We are going to use the program called Active Presenter. First, go to the link provided in the description below. This link will guide you to download the software or tool we'll be using for screen recording. Once you're on the website, choose the right software to download and install the application. I'm using Windows, so I'll download the Windows version. After the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation steps by clicking Next until the program is installed. As soon as the installation is complete, a web page will open, providing everything you need to get started with the Active Presenter software. This is a powerful and complex tool, but in this video, we will focus solely on using the screen recorder. As the final step, click on Finish, and this will open the software. Now, from the left menu, select Record Screen as Video. Here, we can either record the whole screen or a specific area. I will choose to record the whole screen. Once you're done, click on Rec. To stop recording, I need to find the icon of the software. Now, click on it and then click the Stop icon. Once we click on Stop, the software will automatically open the recorded video for editing. Let's save the project before we do anything. Bear in mind, this is not the video we are going to use, only the project file. We will later export the video. Once we've saved the file, close the program and open the folder containing our project file. Now, double-click and open the project. Most of the time, we need to cut the video. Let me show you how to remove a specific part of the video. First, locate the yellow range selector to the end where you want to remove. Now, place the green selector at the start. Let's delete everything between these two selectors by clicking this icon having a trash can. There you go. Now we have deleted a certain part of the video. We have two audio layers in this project. Let me show you how to delete them. Right-click and choose Delete. If you want to add some elements to the video, we have many options. Start by adding text. From the Insert tab, click on Text Caption, and now click on the video. It will add plain text. Let's modify it. Select the text, and you will see an Options menu. I am going to change the size, font family, and color. Now, let's add a speech bubble. Go to Shapes and select one. Now, let's add text onto it. Let me edit this text as well. Let me change the color and size. It's a little tricky to select, so be ready for a few tries. Let's add an icon. You can place the new elements anywhere in the timeline. And one of my favorites, the spotlight. With this tool, we can highlight a specific area of the video. Finally, let's export the video to see the end result. Go to the Export tab and select Video. Click on OK, and there we go. Click on Open Folder to open our final video. There are much more options for editing recorded videos. You can find the link for tutorials in the description. See you next time.